So I manage our online community as well as some other customer experience projects and programs. We are hosted on the Verint Community platform, and so I've been administering that platform for about 3 years now. We went through a lot of changes at SugarCRM right around the same time, so big upheaval for us, and we knew we had a whole new way of doing things. So we wanted to make it our own, wanted to have a great, flexible platform we could automate, we could have it interact with other platforms and programs that we use, and just do whatever we wanted with it. It's kind of the one-stop shop for everyone if they're a Sugar customer, so they can get into the community and get everywhere they need to go. And the flexibility and customization of it has led us to be able to just tailor it for all of our needs. We use it for basically everything we do that's customer-facing, either directly through the community or tied into another programs. For instance, our support portal you can access it through the community, but it's not part of the community platform. But all of our news and announcements, release updates, all of our user group functionality, our partners all access the partner portal through the community. We can just do whatever we want with it, and that's very useful for us. We started focusing first on case deflection and those support forum type mentality. I was actually still in our support organization at that time. Then we transitioned even further, building in more of that news, advocacy, release cadence sort of tie-in. And then since we moved to Verint, we were able to add in all of the learning platforms and really enhance our event strategy, our news delivery ability, and more enhanced forms, more tie-in to our CRM and other platforms. So it's just kind of been that built evolution over time. When we were on our previous community and everything before, we had a really disjointed experience for our customers. You had to go to one place to get this information, one place to get this information, and it was very confusing. Like, our customers had to follow our internal processes to find out how to use our platforms, and that was really hard for them. So we really wanted to give them that cohesive experience and make it just easy for them, as easy as we possibly could, and we're constantly iterating on that. If we find a gap in what we're doing, we can go in and fix it without almost much effort, basically. I can go in, I can change menus, I can change where forums are, I can change where this part lives, and it's made it really easy for us to adapt as our business grows and changes. We're able to adapt the community in that same manner. First of all, we worked with Social Edge to do our implementation. We worked with them on our previous community too, so they gave us a huge running head start on this. They were able to get us trained, get our site built, hit all of our branding and design requirements, and a whole bunch of other aspects within a very short window. It was maybe a 12-week implementation, and we were off and ready to go. We've done some analytics actually pretty recently to notice the trend of how many customers churn or stay with the company and how active they are in the community, or if they even have accounts in the community. But we've noticed that less than 3% of customer accounts who have left in the last year and a half or so have been members of our community. For us, the community is really important because we want to make sure our customers are feeling engaged, supported, they're learning through our community. We have our LMS tied to our community, so they're able to actually access our training courses and register for those courses through the community. So it's really important to get them involved and are able to feel part of that customer experience. They're able to feel a part of our company. Our employees interact in the community, our partners interact in the community, customers can talk to one another and feel like they're not on an island, not the only ones using our products, and they can feel that sense of camaraderie, and just enhances the overall experience because they feel like they're part of something. We host some virtual events about every month, so we always hear positive accolades from that, and customers that I have built relationships with will reach out and just say, this is amazing, or we get surveys that come back through our Voice of the Customer program where we survey all of our customers, and we're hearing great things from that side. We also see it in the sales cycle. Our salespeople are able to share that as a resource during the sales process and showing customers that this is an additional piece that they have access to as customers that's going to help them get onboarded faster, get information they need, get help fast. And then we hear it all the way up through our CEO comparing us against one of our big competitors and saying that we've built something so robust in a fraction of the budget, a fraction of the time, and a fraction of the resources.